Hey guys, Andrew here from Sandgate Auto Electrics. Today we're fitting this custom boat loader from a company in Western Australia to this customer's 200 Series Landcruiser. This customer's doing quite a lot of touring around Australia with his van on the back and had nowhere to fit his tinny. So we've gone and fitted this to the roof of his vehicle. It allows the tinny to be pressed up against the back of the vehicle on a frame and winched up on top of the roof here, and then strapped down as a way of transporting your tinny rather than having it on a trailer behind the vehicle. We fit different brands of these. This isn't just the only brand we fit. There's LMAC boat loaders, all different brands of these. If you've got any of these you want fitted to your vehicle, or you want us to supply one to fit to your vehicle, come and see us and we'll be able to help you out. This here is not the finished product. We're going to take all this off and actually dismantle this rack and paint it black for the customer to suit his vehicle. But we just thought we'd show you how it's mounted. And at the end of the video I'll put in a couple of pictures and some videos of different ones of these in operation to show you how they work. Thank you.